Friends, welcome again to my channel DIALux Evo Learning Made Easy Part 3. In Part 1 and 2, we have seen a bit about DIALux Evo, introduction and general setting up and configuration. In Part 3, we will see more about the user interfaces which we use in this DIALux Evo designing. Before that, what I want to tell you is that, please, if you are learning DIALux Evo or lighting design, subscribe this channel for practical tutorials. I will be going through the practical sessions. Even to introduce you with this user interfaces, I have taken a completed project. It's a small project, but I felt it will be better for you to get familiarized with the project and the user interfaces together. That's why I took this drawing. This is a completed project. If you can call this as a project, it's a small, like a changing room, you know. There's an entrance hall, janitor, change room, wash, WC, and shower. Okay, but this is a completed work. This small project will help you to go for a bigger one. Now, when you see this one, I have already imported this the project here from the beginning platform. Okay, now if you see on the left side, you see the drawing, then you see this IFC files, then you see the site. Okay, now about the drawing importing and all, I'll take it later when the time comes for importing drawing and starting the project. It will be the same project, but I'll take it with the empty AutoCAD drawing and we will do it. You can practice this. Since it's a small drawing, you can also make an AutoCAD drawing and import it with me. So it will be easy. So this is a part of my step-by-step teaching guide. Okay. Now let's see the site. When you click the site, what is happening? You see the site here. Then you have the draw new building, draw a rectangular floor element, which we will come. Okay. Now below that you have this. Again in the site, once you draw the new building, then you have draw a new room. Okay. Then you have apertures like windows and doors. If you want to put, you can click this one and come to this. Then you have facade elements, external facade elements you can put here. Then you have what you call this one is the spaces inside the, you see when I click that one, when I go there, it's gone. The spaces inside the room. Then comes the room elements like columns, beams and all. Now you can add these things here. Then the roof, you can select the roof, flat or conical or slanted roof, whatever it is. Then you have the ceiling. It's a false ceiling because most of the building you have a false ceiling, and on the false ceiling only you will have recessed light or suspended lights or whatever it is. So you mark the ceiling. The height matters a lot. I think I told you in part 2, the height from the working plane to the light is important. Then comes the cutout. Cutout gives you the openings, on the wall where the natural light will enter. Then you have this, what you call this one is furniture and objects. Furniture you can select here. Select table, chair, whatever furniture you want to put it in. If it's an office, you have the table, chair. If it's a bedroom, you have, bed, mattress and coat and etc. Okay, put that one. Then comes the materials. You select once you finish this plan, you select the materials like tiles and paints and colors and all like that. Then you have the text, addition of text and the lines and reference lines. Then you have this copy and arrange. Then you have views. This is the same drawing, which is the 3D projection of whatever is made by me. Then the project tree. Okay, on the project tree you can appear, and if you want to look at the drawing, then you can see it completely. If you want to close something, you can close. For example, now the lights are gone. These dotted lights are the lights which we have done. Okay, you will be coming to that point later. Now if I take a 3D of this picture, see, this is a 3D of the light, and it's a completed work. So completed work in the sense that I set the lux values and the calculation is already done. We will see it later. I took this drawing specifically for you to show. Okay, now in horizontal side also you have the same thing, side, building, story. Here you see the change room. So change room in the sense that, okay, if it's like that, okay, the full building is here. Okay, you can manipulate with this one and see everything. Okay, then comes the light. You can choose the light here, luminaries. We will be coming to these points later. So just have a look at this one. If I click this, see the light, how it is coming, I'll show you that later. Okay, now you look at the result point. You see the result here. All the calculated values are here. So here you will see, for example, it's a 501 lux and it is green light, which means it is accepted. Maybe 500 lux is the one which we set for that, and 501 you got it. See, entrance hall, maybe 250 or 300 lux, you got 265 lux, the 265 lux. And there is a what you call this, the uniformity also is okay. We'll come to that. Now if I click this, it disappears. Now again this, if you look at this, you can visualize individually. If I put the light on, all luminaries, if I put, you see the lights are on. Lights are on. You see this, ceiling is closed. Now, if I put the lights again, all luminaries, light off, plane, see the lights are here. So this is also individual control. We'll be using everything, all the points here simultaneously. Okay. So this is just an orientation of the user interfaces which we use here and here. And there are other interfaces like documentation and things like that, lights, luminaries. Slowly, when we do the project practically, you will get familiarized. Now I put this light off, the lights are gone here. Okay, what you saw is the photometric distribution for these lights. Okay, now all these areas like site, building, story, CH room, this is one of the room here. Then the 2D plan and the 3D drawings, the images, everything you will see, and even the scaling, tape measure, how to use it in the next drawing when we import it directly from AutoCAD. Then you will get the idea. I'll take it again. Okay, so this is all about the part 3. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching this video. Now what I want to tell you is that for professional lighting design support, if you are a lighting designer already, or if you want to start working on lighting design, you can contact me for professional support on the below given email ID. Okay, binduck17@gmail.com. I'll be more than happy to support you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye.